Hello and welcome to the virtual demonstration of a really cool AI-enabled project we recently conceptualized for a high-tech manufacturer. But to appreciate it fully, let's get some context. As you may know, high-tech manufacturer, among its varied services offered to various telcos, erects towers and associated infrastructure. This is fulfilled by both its employees and subcontractors. Once the work is commissioned, technicians are mandatorily required to take pictures and videos of the completed installations via drones and cameras. These image feeds are then sent to its verification and maintenance teams, who inspect the quality of each completed installation. The inspection is thorough. It consists of a predefined checklist of 100 plus parameters, which helps them deliver rigorous service standards and help meet various regulatory compliance requirements. These audits conforming to checklists must be completed as part of any work done on various sites. Presently, many of these checklist items are validated manually. That adds to a significant amount of workload to its personnel, which could otherwise be spent on other duties of higher value. At Wipro, we wondered if AI could be of any assistance in such a scenario, and AI came to the rescue in the form of Inspect AI, Wipro's computer vision platform designed to help automate inspection works. The solution can be configured with end-to-end inspection-related workflows, including ingesting images, run machine learning models to identify what type of asset requires inspection, pull out all relevant checks, and validate each item of the checklist or spot any issues. Further, it also has the provision to keep humans in the loop, gather feedback, and continuously improve its performance. Inspect AI helps automate the overall network assurance process, reducing the turnaround time by up to 90%. What's more, it also delivers savings via a lesser number of site visits for all stakeholders, from installation, maintenance to assurance teams, lesser unexpected, expensive damages, improved employee productivity, and reduced repetitive work. Wipro worked together to configure Inspect AI with available data about their sites and their images and videos. Let us now show you a demonstration of Inspect AI. Inspect AI can be hosted anywhere, on cloud or premise, and can be accessed via this web interface. As you can see, it has 4 modules. Configurator, where all the inspection configurations defined. Planner, it's mainly for the operators who can plan various site inspections. Analysis and reporting, the main key component of Inspect, where AI inspects all the images which have been uploaded. Insights and analytics, analyze the results of the inspections and download the reports. Let's have a quick tour of each of the modules. The Configurator module is where we configure various entities, such as the agency individual doing the inspection, along with any certifications, license they require, such as drone piloting. The assets to be inspected, how are they organized, for example, sites, components, etc. What type of equipment or cameras will be chosen for inspection, and set up any data connections. In the Planner module, we can schedule periodic inspections and trigger data import. Once the image feed is imported, we can automatically sort it and assign it to the respective checklist items. Here, we show multiple operator sites configured with towers and components. Now, let's get into the Analysis and Reporting module, which highlights the core output of AI. You can see the various checklist items here. Let's jump into one of them. For example, Cable Ingress Insulation Check. Here, in this image, you can see that the ingress insulation is proper for both these cables. But as we move on to the next image, Inspect AI has successfully annotated an ingress which looks inadequately done. Similarly, while these two are good, we can see that Inspect AI has been able to spot an incomplete application of the seal in these 3. For the data enthusiasts, here's a rundown of steps followed in building this machine learning model. After a variety of inventive data processing and trying out multiple algorithms, we narrowed down SOTA network to successfully detect objects. And for those of you who won't get confused, here is the confusion matrix. As you can see, we pulled off a high accuracy and precision range of 80 to 90%, despite having just 121 or low number of samples. Now, let's move on to another checklist. For instance, inspect AI detecting corrosion. Corrosion identification is key as it can affect structural integrity of various telco installations, especially in towers. But not all types of corrosion require maintenance. We have been able to build an AI algorithm to automatically identify different levels of corrosion, for example, low, medium, or high. Alerts can be raised to maintenance teams only for high corroded parts. Additionally, as you can see from these images, Inspect AI has been able to successfully identify substrate condition, bolting conditions, and anomalies. All throughout, it allows a human in loop to edit any errors made and learns from any such actions. We go one step further and generate the 3D visualization of a telco asset. Why is this important? This will help maintenance teams to inspect the damaged areas in more detail through various angles, and even measure the length, height, and width of the replacement part that may be needed. Remote inspection of all such parameters helps avoid multiple visits to the actual site, thereby saving time, costs, energy, and repetitive work. For documentation purposes, it is also possible to download the inspection report, and there are multiple templates available. As you can see, the report's parameters are dynamically generated. Finally, Insights and Analytics module dashboards, and provides insights about the historical inspection data. You can find out which components tend to get worn out soon, percentage of failures, ultimately helping in planning a robust material purchase and increasingly rigorous installations. Summing it up, while we have done this engagement as a POC, we look forward to unleash the power of Inspect AI to many more sites, geographies, and business units of telecom customers.